Hey everybody, this is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project. Package arrived in the mail. If I can open it. Desert West. Says on the box, easy clip car mount. Funny is, I was just saying the other day, we went on a road trip, a long road trip, and we use our phones as a GPS. And I was just saying to Melanie, we need to get a car dash or vent mount for our phones so we can use them as a GPS in the car easier. And like the next day, these guys reached out to me. I don't know how that works. Sometimes I wonder if the phones are listening to us, because the next day I got this offer. So we have here different ways to mount your cell phone in your car. Easy clip car mount from Desert West. So there's some very simple instructions. You can mount it to your dash, and I'm guessing your windshield, or in your vent. It's got some pictorial instructions. There's an actual instruction book, comes with it. So I see there's the two different mounts. You can put it in your vent. I'm going to have to look at how that works. There's a screw. Oh, very simple. So it simply screws open and closed. You turn that. That's very easy. So that can lash into your vent. And then this would go on here. Open up the screw, pop in the ball. Is that in there? Tighten that down. Yep, that's in there. And then you can fit your phone in there. I'm guessing it's going to be adjustable for whatever sized phones. Oh, there's a release clip, I see. Oh, look at that, ratcheting. Spring-loaded opening. That's convenient for, oh, I like that fact. To release it quickly when you want to get out of the car. Boom, and your phone is released. I like that. I was wondering about that because I saw this online and I'm thinking, how do I get my phone out in a hurry? I don't like messing around when I'm getting out of my car to go get gas or something on a trip. I just want to get out in a hurry. I want to be done and out fast. There's my cell phone. And it doesn't hit any of the buttons. And it's in there. That's convenient. And get out of the car, go grab your gas, take my phone with me. I like it. It's convenient. Self-centering. Throw it off center a bit, clamp it, boom, done. That's cool. That's convenient. And then for your dash mount, I screwed it too far. I'm not sure if I want to use it as a vent mount or dash mount, but it's adjustable, definitely. I have to see the instructions. Oh, it's adjustable here too. It's got a swing arm. Look at that. Convenient. And set it for your viewing angle. That's cool. Look at that. That's really neat. This was actually, they contacted me through my tactical channel, but I felt this fit better on my main channel just because of the nature of what this is and the fact that we travel in the car a lot, and having a GPS in your car is convenient. Well, I'm going to check out all the instructions and see if that fits your window as well. And then there's a pad here, I'm not sure what that is, so we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay, the instruction book is very good and detailed. So if you use this on your dash, I was wondering how that works. There's a suction cup on here, and there's a sticky pad which goes on your dash, and then you would attach the suction cup onto that if you like. I will probably use this either in the vent with a vent adapter or on the windshield. So I like the fact that it comes with actually three different options: dash mount, windshield mount, vent mount. That's really cool. So we'll be putting this to use in the car and trying it out in the next days and weeks and give you a full review. So stay tuned for that. But if you want to go ahead and buy one right away, I'll put the links in the video description in the comments below, and you can go ahead and grab one. Also, there is an adjustment here. This does adjust downwards based on your phone, to give you, depending on the phone size. So that's convenient too. A lot of adjusting capabilities. The suction cup, obviously, here, lift up, put it on your windshield or dash mount, like so. Actually, it'll probably stick right on there, and there you go. It's stuck on the base. Lift up to unlock, take it off. Pretty cool. Put it down, stuck on the base. Windshield, dash mount, whatever. So it's that simple. We will be using this and give you a full overview and review when we're done. But I like it so far. It looks to be well built. No weak points. It's actually flared out at the joint, which is where one of the most weak points would be. Right here would tend to break generally. Pretty good solid metal screws. Looks like it's pretty decent quality. Nice thick ball joint. Looks pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like I said, stay tuned for the full review. And for now, we're going to get this out in the car and try it out. Well, that's convenient, guys. I have this on the window and it sticks on really good. I've had this on and testing it out here. And what I like about this, one thing, they thought about a place for the charger to go in, right there. And I love this. Pop, take it out. So when we're on a road trip and you want to get out of the car in a hurry, that's convenient. Grab it and go. No delay. I like it. Alright, well, we'll be doing a full review here soon and road testing, real road trips and testing on this. So stay tuned for the final and full review. This is Troy from the Do-It-Yourself World and the Off-Grid Project with another cool product here we're trying out.